Variables. A program is a group of commands and instructions that tell the computer to carry out a task. In Scratch, a program is called a script. A script is made up of a number of blocks. So, the blocks are the commands or instructions that we give to the sprite to perform a task. All the numbers, text, date, or pictures that we use in a block are called data. We store this data in the computer memory so that we can get information from it later. This data is stored in variables. It is called variable because it does not have a fixed value. Its value changes. For example, in the move block, the variable has a value 10 by default. You can modify this value according to your script. Types of variables. There are two types of variables. They are as follows. Global variables. If a variable is created to be used and modified by all the sprites, then it is known as a global variable. A global variable can be created on any sprite, but its value can be accessed or modified by other sprites used in the project. Local variables. If a variable is created to be used and modified by a single sprite only, then it is known as a local variable. Local variables can only be accessed or modified from the sprite where it was created. Creating variables in Scratch. To create variables in Scratch, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Variables block category. 2. Click on Make a variable block. Type a variable name in the New Variable Name box. 3. Click on the Radio button of either of the options. Click on For all sprites if you want this variable to appear for all the sprites. 4. Click OK button. The variable appears in the list of variables blocks. Observe that the variable name fruit appears in all the blocks. Now create the following script. The sprite will ask you to type your favorite fruit. When you press the Enter key, the name of the fruit appears in the speech bubble of the penguin. The name of the fruit then appears in the answer as well as in the variable name on the stage.